hits the pool, so you wash
This trip
yourself.
so far, I've washed my balls more than you. How does it feel to be famous? You got posted on Slammed on stage, nigga. Look at you. Damn, son. Yo, must be nice. Must be nice.
You wanna know why?
The fame's coming.
Because you got the old people on
I hit it with a good song. You know, it's completely different from what they expect.
Since Eli's not there.
What time is it?
I just washed you a cup.
Oh, there's a meet tonight. If you guys want to go.
Yeah, that definitely. Yeah,
I
have to wipe down our. We have to wipe down our car with some spray details.
Where we going?
Here, 5 to 8.
And after that, after that, we can go to the
Thanks for the breakfast.
Where you going, Thomas?
Welcome. Look, I miss home so bad. I made
I was just waiting back. I'm not going nowhere.
We ain't really do shit all day.
Yo, man, you get naked? It's a room though. Bruh. Hey.
Are you taking off the top bed?
We about to. I don't even know. We're about to go eat. Shoot videos, shoot cars. You know what it is. Little Gatlinburg video action. Feel me?
You guys have had the camera all week.
That's crazy. Even on top of that, I've been vlogging like little stuff like here and there.
I wish I could zoom in with this.
Just to kinda, like,
That's the only thing I don't like about this.
So then when I can upload it as real, so when I'm editing, I'm really propping up the camera, doing all that type of shit.
I went back and forth.
Yeah.
Like yesterday, I was convinced.
It's harder to remember than people think. Like,
Right.
I tried doing it once and I'm like, this. Gotta make sure the PSI's right.
Yes, you do.
You ride the rubber bands out here.
Where you guys on a cruise? Let's go on the strip?
We're about to do everything. Cruise the strip. We're gonna do shoot. Oh, you like my work wheel tire things?
Tire. Stem cap?
Yep. That boots,
Everybody got their cameras, and I got my little camera.
That's cute.
Yeah. This is nice.
Offset to -5. Where I would have liked to run my camera, but everything's frozen back there. Fun fact, it's probably fucking rotted.
It's rusted?
Oh yeah, like it's like every other Subaru. It's completely, it's clean on the outside, which is why I bought it. Glad I didn't pay the original price though.
Yeah, if you want to get rid of these wheels.
This is fire, right?
What?
This is fire, right?
Yeah. Now I wish I brought my car even more.
I have to plan. I told you this.
Next year. What you doing on the hood,
What
bro?
are you doing, bro? What's up? What's up?
Caught that shit last second too.
Oh no! Oh no! What you got? What you got? You got 4, 5, 6? I bet. I got queen. Keep that speed, you're
I'm gonna go max out your car.
Yo, who trying to lose?
Yeah, well, who wanna work?
Who
Oh, you
got
wanna
what?
play some BP? I'll play some BP right now. What's up?
The fuck you aiming at?
No, you lost. I'm not competitive. Oh, you can't. She lost.
you
She
lost.
lost in cards too.
You
She lost
lost.
in cards too. Useless.
Who's trying to play? Let's go.
Oh! That's a bitch cup though.
Yeah.
I made that
Alright,
single shot.
I gotta turn
You
this
seen
off.
it?
Wait, you said I'm
Concentrate.
useless, right?
That's it. Done for the night.